Can you draw on Google Docs Mobile? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys if it is possible for you to draw on Google Docs Mobile. But before we begin, don't forget to leave a like down below on this video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's just jump right in. Just see if you can draw on Google Docs Mobile. All you have to do is open up your Google Docs and then log into your account. And what you can do is try to create a new document. And once you create a new document, you can start typing stuff here normally. But in order to draw, there is no active option to draw on Google Docs. But what you can do is use this markup tool or this highlighter tool. So whenever you type something here, the text will be highlighted. This is the closest thing that you can get to drawing on Google Docs Mobile. But if you really want to draw freehands, then you'll have to use the Google Docs on your browser, on your PC. There is no currently an option to draw on Google Docs Mobile. So I hope you understood the video and found it helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.